Yo, in this video, I'm breaking down exactly how I passed my 25K Take Profit Trader Evaluation, step by step, trade by trade, and the one method that carried me from start to finish to show you this isn't luck, this is process. First things first, here's my certificate, my P&L per day, and most importantly, let's break down why each trade made sense based on my setup so you can actually learn from it and not just watch another highlight reel. So if you've been trying to get funded, struggling to hit your profit target, or just want to see how full eval plays out from start to finish, let's get into it. Now day one, we came out strong. I started the eval with sales, caught a clean move for 740. No crazy drawdown, no guessing, just waiting for the setup I teach. Step one, new lower lows were created, confirming trend. Step two, a pullback to the 13 EMA, which gives us our low risk entry area. Step 3, a wick rejection off the EMA, telling me the seller's still in control. Step 4, enter on the reaction candles break, following momentum. And that's it. I didn't overtrade, I didn't force anything, I took one clean setup that set the tone for the whole combine. Now day 2 was a Friday, and I don't trade Fridays, but with TPT's 5-day rule, I had to get one day to count. So I did what any smart trader would do. I took a small, controlled, in and out trade just to get the day logged. No ego, no FOMO, just discipline. And sometimes the best trade isn't the biggest one. It's the ones that keep you qualified to keep playing. Now day 3 was smooth. I took the buys this time. Same exact setup, just flipped the trend. Price broke structure, new higher high. Then I waited for the pullback into the 13 EMA, got the wick rejection, and boom, entered on the confirmation candle. And just like that, 744 profit. And this is why I always say, repeatability beats excitement. You don't need 10 strategies, you just need one you trust enough to execute over and over. Alright, now day 4 gets a little wild. Because if you watched my last video, you remember I was trading live. And well, apparently I forgot to blur out my account info on the screen. And someone actually logged in. And they didn't just stop there, because that same someone took trades on my account. But shout out to whoever it was, because they actually ended up helping me out. They actually secured a trade for 210 while I was offline. But before I even noticed, I took my own little small trade for $75, just sticking to the plans. Sales per setup, and by the end of it, the job was already halfway done for me. Wild day, and a lesson learned, to blur out your credentials. Now day 5, I was already well over 1500 profit target. Now a lot of traders at this stage start playing not to lose. They tighten up, they hesitate, and they skip setups. But not me. I didn't want to just complete the day. I wanted to finish with intention, so I took one more clean setup, sales again, following the same exact process. First things first, I identified trend, and then I got my pullback, a wick off the EMA, confirmation, and then I executed. Textbook entry, textbook exit, and sealed the deal. 5 days, 5 trades, and passed my first ever Take Profit Trader Evaluation. And the best part, every single trade was taken live with the Discord. Now, if you're wondering what system I use, like I just talked over, it's the same exact method I've been teaching for months now, the Golden Zone method, or recently upgraded to GZM Flow, as we call it now. Remember, here's the play. Step 1, identify a new higher high or lower low. This confirms the trend. Step 2, wait for a pullback into the 13 EMA or low risk entry zones. Step 3, look for a wick rejection off the EMA, confirming the zone is respected. And step 4, you're enter on the reaction candles break. This is the momentum confirmed. Simple, clean, repeatable. This is how I've been able to pass multiple combines consistently and pull payouts without stress and without guessing. Now listen, if you've been watching me for a while, then you already know this isn't about flexing P&L or chasing hype. It's about building real consistency. So if you're serious about passing your Take Profit Trader, Topstep, Apex, or any other platform evaluation, and you actually want a system that works and a risk plan, come join our community inside. I'll walk you through the same exact strategy I use in this video, step by step, and you also get my playbook, live examples, and I'll personally help you get you through your combine. We trade live together every morning, 9:30 to about 12. We review setups, talk psychology, and risk management, and the real side of trading no one teaches you. And the goal isn't just to pass, it's to get paid, stay consistent, and build freedom through trading. So that's what you want? Then go ahead and click the first link in the description. Come learn the method, get funded, and let's grow together. Now this video will give you some game. Don't just click away. Take it, apply it, and build from it. Because this isn't just about passing another eval. It's about proving to yourself that you could do it consistently, that you could trade with discipline, patience, and purpose. And when you're ready to go from watching to winning, join us. So remember, losses don't break us, wins don't blind us, and the process defines us. Stay patient, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.